You have invited friends at your world in Minecraft, but haven't you prepared defenses at your home? You have been waiting for this video because it is for you. Hello people, today I will teach how to make a hidden door with double switch. I will show the mechanism and a way hide the lever. To enter you only need to be alone and press hidden lever. But someone is coming. You have to activate the hidden lever and the door will be closed. Now you can go out fast for your secret tunnel. We will need two mechanisms for this: the door and the commutator. The commutator makes both levers have the same hierarchy. To get started, we need a space for void and walls, a point where put the door and where the lever. Now we will building the first part for commutator. It consists of a lever with a sticky piston that moves a solid block. Place two repeaters that are giving energy a block, and the position where will the block. Connect both repeaters and activate it. Place repeater of exit a right of the solid block, and other a front of position where can maybe. Select where put other lever and do same, but add repeaters with contrary sense. Connect sides repeaters and front repeaters. Signal resulting go out for here. To get the door we need place pistons this way. The points importance where should put redstone are here up, here down, here left, and here right. Now we will have make them bar up and down are turn on and turn off before the sides. For this we go down redstone for here. Redstone divide in two. Connect this way. Now redstone should go up. We will use this mechanic. Connect L, and we play repeaters here and here. We delay the signal to the maximum. The correct place and finish. If you have been growing in steps, don't doubt in asking.